GitHub secrets and variables. What does GitHub secrets and variables mean? GitHub secrets and variables are secure ways to store sensitive information, like API keys, passwords, and tokens, or environment-specific values for use in GitHub workflows and CI/CD pipelines. Secrets are encrypted, while variables can store environment configuration values. It means you want to keep credentials safe, or you need environment-specific configuration, or you want automated workflows without exposing sensitive info, or you want consistent environment settings across CI/CD pipelines. So GitHub secrets and variables equals secure storage plus environment config plus carbon monoiodide CD integration plus workflow automation. Why GitHub secrets and variables matter? It is important because keeps sensitive information secure, prevents accidental exposure in code, enables automated CI/CD workflows, manages environment-specific configurations, supports team collaboration safely. Without secrets and variables, cross-mark credentials could be hard-coded. Cross-mark sensitive information may leak. Cross-mark CI/CD workflows break. Cross-mark hard to maintain multiple environments. Cross-mark risk of human error. With secrets and variables, checkmark safe automated workflows. Checkmark encrypted credentials. Checkmark environment-specific values. Checkmark reliable CI/CD pipelines. Checkmark easier collaboration. Why you might need GitHub secrets and variables. This usually happens when you store API keys for deployment or services. You need database credentials for workflows. You manage different environment settings. Dev, staging, prod. You automate builds and deployments. You want to prevent exposing sensitive information in the repository. Without secrets, variables. Cross-mark credentials hard-coded in repo. Cross-mark multiple environment configs are messy. Cross-mark security and workflow risks. With secrets, variables. Checkmark encrypted storage. Checkmark environment-specific values. Checkmark safe automation. Checkmark easy management and rotation. Typical situations where this is needed. Common scenarios. API keys for external services. Database credentials for CI/CD pipelines. Environment configuration for dev, staging, prod. Tokens for GitHub Actions. Third-party service integrations. Example. Workflow means uses secret API key means deploy to production means secure. Why? Keeps credentials safe. Supports CI/CD automation. Easy environment management. Basic GitHub secrets and variables setup. First checks. Go to repository means settings means secrets and variables. Add secret, encrypted, or variable. Environment config. Use secret, variable in GitHub workflow YAML. Test workflow to ensure proper usage. Why? Safe usage in workflows. Prevent accidental leaks. Maintain consistent configuration. Fix 1. Add secrets. Use when workflow needs sensitive info. API key, token, password, result. Encrypted secret available in workflow. Why? Prevent exposing credentials. CI/CD workflows use secure values. Easy to rotate. Warning danger. Cross-mark committing secrets in code. Cross-mark sharing secrets publicly. Good practice. Checkmark use GitHub secrets only. Checkmark reference secrets via secrets. Name in workflow. Checkmark rotate regularly. Fix 2. Use variables. Use when workflow needs environment-specific configuration. Result. Variable available for workflow and actions. Why? Different values for dev, staging, prod. Avoid hard-coding values. Easier workflow management. Good practice. Checkmark use repository or environment variables. Checkmark keep sensitive info in secrets. Checkmark use variables for config. Secrets for credentials. Fix 3. Secure usage in workflows. Use when secrets or variables need safe injection. Result: secrets are never printed in logs unless masked. Why? Prevent accidental exposure. Maintain compliance. Protect sensitive info. Good practice. Checkmark reference secrets. Name and vars. Name. Checkmark mask outputs. Checkmark limit access via environments. Fix 4. Rotate and manage. Use when keys or variables may be outdated or compromised. Result: workflows remain secure and functional. Why? Maintain security. Ensure workflows run properly. Reduce risk of leaked credentials. Good practice. Checkmark rotate secrets periodically. Checkmark remove unused secrets. Checkmark update workflows accordingly. Daily workflow using secrets and variables. Safe workflow. Use secrets for sensitive info. Use variables for environment configuration. Reference secrets, variables in workflows. Rotate keys regularly. Monitor workflow logs for safe usage. Why? Secure automation. Consistent environments. Reliable C/CD. Team safety. Common mistakes that break secrets and variables. Hardcoding secrets in repo. Not masking outputs in logs. Using secrets as variables. Leaving unused secrets. Not rotating keys. Why? Security risk. Workflow failures. Credential leaks. Compliance issues. How secrets and variables affect teams. When done wrong. Secrets exposed. Workflows break. Unauthorized access. Team frustration. When done right. Checkmark secure credentials. Checkmark safe C/CD pipelines. Checkmark environment-specific automation. Checkmark team confidence. Checkmark efficient workflow. Real-life analogy. GitHub secrets and variables are like locked safes for credentials and configuration. Secret equals password and safe. Variable equals environment-specific settings. Workflow means safe means uses secure info. In simple words, GitHub secrets and variables mean store credentials and configs securely. Use them safely in workflows. Separate sensitive info from code. Enable safe C/CD automation. Fix equals add secret means add variable means reference in workflow means automate safely. Best practices for GitHub secrets and variables. Use checkmark secrets for sensitive credentials. Checkmark variables for environment config. Checkmark mask outputs in workflow. Checkmark rotate and remove unused keys. Checkmark limit access per environment. Avoid crossmark hardcoding secrets. Crossmark sharing secrets publicly. Crossmark ignoring rotation. Crossmark using secrets for non-sensitive config. Crossmark printing secrets in logs. GitHub secrets and variables help you secure credentials. Manage environment-specific values. Enable safe C/CD workflows. Protect sensitive information. Maintain team trust. A good setup. Checkmark secrets for credentials. Checkmark variables for configs. Checkmark masked outputs. Checkmark rotated and monitored. Checkmark safe automation.